So the next step is to put the pockets and to make sure that you get a nice fold there so that the stitch looks good. So because I'm working on this table with this cutting table and it's got a cloth on top, I just have to be careful when I align all the panels and all the stuff, because if the material stretches, it sticks there. So I'm just making sure that everything. So the first step is to and this is a bit longer process. Normally you don't have to do it like this, but this is how I do it. Normally what you do is you just fold here on top and then you do a stitch, but I don't like it. It doesn't look neat. And these aren't that many hoodies, so you can take the longer route. So what I do is I just align everything up nicely here. Fold them in like this on the top. There they are. And then what I do is I pin them. So this process takes quite a bit longer, but the stitch looks better. Now on this fleece that I'm using, it is not necessary, you don't have to do that, but because this fleece it's got some fluff here, so the pile is standing up a bit, so it's not necessary that you have to do it like this, but I just think that it looks good. And then you're just going to do the stitch there. The main thing is to make sure that the pinning is all in line here, so that it doesn't move like this up and down. So when you fold it over, it still looks good. And then the other one, I just pin all of them here. Make sure they're aligned there now. So what we're going to do is we're going to do a stitch there, and then fold it over and then do a lot of stop stitching again. So just make sure that they're both aligned. You can do this in front of the sewing machine, but it's just better to pin all of them, and then you take everything there and you stitch all of them together, and then they're nicely aligned. So these things are still fine here. They're on top also. I think they look fine. Bring it down and make sure they're aligned here. If they're not fully aligned, it's not the end of the day, because we're going to align everything up again later. So now we just go to the machine. We're going to do a stitch there, basically a stitch here, and then when it's folded over, we're going to do another small stitch there. We're going to, all of this happens now in front of the machine. We turn the pockets in here. We do a stitch there, a stitch here, and a stitch here. So the pocket can't move when we do the rest of the process. So there will be a top stitch here on the side here, top stitch here, and then the stitch at the bottom. It's just an aligning stay stitch. And then here we're going to do another stay stitch, just 5 millimeters or so on the edge, so that everything aligns when everything is secure when we add the zip. Now this is a longer process than normal, but when it comes to the quantity of hoodies, it doesn't really matter, because all the other stuff will go quickly. Okay.